Namaste students. हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. I am Dr. Suman Ahuja, Assistant Professor, Kaya Chikitsa Department, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today I am going to deliver lecture on Kas Rog, which is mentioned in different Ayurvedic Samhitas. So for this lecture, I have divided description into two sessions, part 1 and part 2. Today I'll take part 1. In that I'll discuss about the introduction, its classification, its nidana, samprapti, and its symptoms or lakshan according to its classification, according to its types. So for that, let me share a PowerPoint presentation for you. So this is the introduction. Kasanat Kasah. This is a term which is used to describe the word kas. Kasanat Kasah, the disease in which aggravated vayu comes violently with a violent sound, violently out of the shirastha srotas, then it is called as kas. Acharya Charak defines kas as a release of obstructive vayu resulting in production of an abnormal sound. That's why it is called as kas. So kas may be dry or it may be associated with sputum, then it is called as productive kas. So kas rose is described in detail in different Sahitas, as like in Charak Samhita it is described in Chikitsa Sthan chapter 18, in Sushu Samhita Uttar Tantra chapter 52, in Ashtang Sangraha Chikitsa Sthan chapter 3. So its Samanya Nidanas, if we discuss Dhul, Dhoom and Rach Upgat, that is exposure of dust, exposure of smoke, and exposure of some noxious particles. Ati Vyayam, excessive physical exertion. Ati Ruksha Anna Sevan, excessive consumption of the Ruksha Anpan. Bhojan Vimagaman, that is the transfer of the bhojan from root food pipe to the windpipe, that is bhojan vimagaman. That also causes kasrok, shvatu, vegdharan of the shvatu, that is vegdharan of the sneezing. Veg, it is also a causative factor for the kasrog. Now these are the vishisht nidanas. As kasrog is divided into 5 categories, that according to dosh, that is vataj, pittaj, kafaj, kshayaj and kshataj. So first we are taking nidanas of the vataj kas. So in the previous slide we discussed samanya nidana, that was the general causative factors for the occurrence of, for the manifestation of the caste robe. This is specific nidanas according to the dosh. So vataj caste nidanas: ruksh ahar sevan, excessive consumption of the dry food; sheet ahar sevan, excessive consumption of the cold food items; and atik kashaya ras ahar sevan, so food article who are dominant in kashaya ras, so consumption of these food articles can also cause vataj kas. Pramitashan, food in very consumption of food in very less quantity. Ati mehtun, excessive sexual indulgence. Adhaniya veg dharan, that is control of the natural urges which should not be controlled. And ayas or shram, excessive physical exertion. Now, Pittaj caste nidanas, causative factor which are responsible for specifically Pittaj caste: Katu ahar, ati sevan. So, consumption of food articles which are dominate in Katuras. Similarly, excessive consumption of very hot food articles. Similarly, excessive consumption of Vidahi ahar, Amla ras ati sevan. So, excessive consumption of food article who are in which are in Amla ras, excessively contains amlaras. Kshariya padarth se ati sevan, excessive consumption of the food article which are kshar in nature. Krodh, excessive anger. Agni santap ati sevan, so exposure to sun or exposure to any heat source. So Agni Santap, any heat source, and the Surya Santap, exposure or excessive sun exposure. This is the Kafach Kas Nidanas, Guru Padarth Ati Sevan. So heavy food item, that is consumption of heavy food articles. Abhishandi food article, Madhur Padarth Sevan, Madhur food articles. Snigdha Ahar Sevan, excessive oily food consumption of excessive oily food articles. Ati Nindra, excessive sleep. Acheshta, that is Ati Vishram, that is very less physical activity. Patient always takes rest, always sleeps. Kshataj caste nidanas: ati maithun, excessive sexual indulgence; ati bharvahan, excessive heavyweight lifting; ati adva, excessive walking regularly for the 8 kilometers, 9 kilometers, 10 kilometers without taking rest in between, that is ati adva. Ati yudh, fighting, battle with the heavy battle with the person or battle with the animals who are in more who are of more strength than that person. To control Ashwa and Gaj, to control the uncontrollable horse or uncontrollable elephant. It is also called Kshataj caste. Now, Kshataj caste nidanas, that is Visham Bhojan, Asatne Bhojan, Bhojan which do not suits to the body. Patient takes that kind of bhojan also causes Kshaaj caste. Prakriti Viruddh Bhojan, bhojan food item which is against the constitution of a person, that also causes Kshaaj caste. Ati Maithun, that is excessive sexual indulgence. Adharniya Vekdaran, that is control of urges which should not be controlled. Ati Chinta, excessive worry. So this is a cause of Kshaaj caste Nitanaj. Now, if we see the Samanya Samprapti, Acharya Charak has explained Samanya Samprapti of cars as vitiated Pran and Udan Vayu. So, Vayu, which are responsible for the manifestation of Kas Rog, is vitiated Pran and Udan Vayu. They attained upward movement and gets filled in the srotas which are present in Shira, because these all srotas are present in the upper part of the body. So, Shira, Uraha and Kant Pradesh. So, because of this, upward movement of the Vat, it results in the increased pressure inside the Hanu, Manya and Netra. These sites are also present at the upper part of the body, also causing contraction of Netra, Prishtbhag, Urabhag and Pashpadesh, and eventually finally resulting in forceful expulsion of air, producing a typical sound in the presence or absence of sputum. So this is the Samanya general pathogenesis of Kas Rog. Now, classification of Kas Rog, as I mentioned earlier, it is divided into 5 types, that is Vatik, Patik, Kafaj, Kshataj and Kshayaj Kas. Now, Purrupas of the Kas Rog, some of the premonitory signs before the specific manifestation of Kas Rogs are Shuk, Poon, Gala. Patient feels like something pinching in the throat. Similarly, Shuk, Poon, Asya, something pinching in the mouth, like some pebbles, some sharp things are stuffed in the mouth, or they are just pinching at the throat. Kanthe Kandu, feeling of itching at the Kantha Pradesh. Bhojya Nam Avarod, patient there's difficulty in swallowing, defining swallowing food articles. That's why the term Bhojya Nam Avarod, that is difficulty in swallowing. And some of the specific Purvupas which are mentioned by Sushu Sanhita, that is Arochak, patient doesn't feel like to have food. Agni Sat, that is Agni Mandya. Swar Bhed, Swashabda Vaishamya, that is hoarseness of voice. There's a change, there's abnormality in the voice of the patient. Now, Bhedanusar Lakshanas, so Vatikas. So Vatikas, patient feels Hritashul, pain in chest or pain in center of the chest. Parshul, pain in the flanks. Vakshul, that is pain in the chest. Shirashul, pain in headache. And Swar Bhed, that is hoarseness of voice, that is abnormality in the voice. And Shushkura, patient feels something dryness in the chest cavity. Shushk Kant, dryness of Kant Pradesh, sadness of throat. Shushk Vatra, dryness of buccal mucosa or mouth. Lomharsh, that is goosebumps. Pratamyata, patient feels blackouts while coughing. Shushk Kas, particularly Kas, most of the patient Kas is dry. Shushk Kas, Shushk and Alp cough. If there is a production of sputum, that is in very less quantity, Alp cough. Jeerne Anne Vegwan, and this gas aggravates when food gets digested. That's why term is mentioned Jeen Anne Vegwan. Now, Patikas Pit Nishtivan, when patient spits sputum that is in yellowish color. Pitakshi, Akshi eyes are having a yellowish tinge. Tikt Asya, that is a bad taste of the mouth, and particularly thick the taste of the mouth. Swar Amaya, abnormality in the voice, hoarseness of the voice. Swar Amaya, that is disease of the swar. Swar Bhed, Urodumayan, patient feels like smoke is coming out of the chest, that is Urodumayan. Next symptom is Tishna, excessive thirst. Moh, patient feels like a patient is getting unconscious, that is Moh. Aruchi, patient doesn't feel like to have food. Bhram is like dizziness, patient feels vertigo. Pram, Pit Sanshlisht Shleshma Nishtivan. So patient spits shleshma or throws out cough, that is pith sanshli, that is associated with pith. And one specific symptom which is mentioned by Sushu Samhita, that is jwar. This is also a symptom of peptic kas. Now kafach kas, mandagni, aruchi, chardi, that is vomiting, irregular chardi, penis, that is old or chronic pratishay, utklesh is nausea, patient feels like vomiting always, gaurav, heaviness in the body, lomharsh, that is goosebumps, and madhur asya, patient feels bad taste in the mouth, that is tiktaras in the petikas, but in this patient feels madhur taste, sweet taste in the mouth. And bahul, madhur snigdh ghan kaf nishtivan, patient spit sputum which is bahul, very large quantity, which is madhur and sweet in taste, snigdh that is oily in nature, and ghan and thick in consistency. Aruja kas, is devoid of pain, there is patient doesn't feel any kind of pain while coughing. Vaksh sampurna, like urodumayan was a symptom of pittach kas, patient feels smoke is coming out of the chest. Vaksh sampurnta, patient thinks like something is stuffed, something is filled in the chest cavity, that is vaksh sampurna, heaviness in the chest. Now kshataj kas, पूर्व शुष्क कास ततः सशोणित, initially patient complains of dry cough, but after a few time, after a few days, patient spits blood in the kas. Kantashul, pain in the throat cavity, throat, urashul, pain in the chest, suchibiriv tikshna urotud, patient feels pain in chest like pinching needle, somebody is pinching needle in the chest. Next is do spurge. Patient feels pain on touching on the chest, that is do spurge. Bhed pida, like something is lancinating, something causing laceration in the chest. Bhedan kind of pida in the chest. Abhitap, patient feel heat in the chest. Parshubhed, Vedan like pida in the flanks. Jwar, Shwas, breathlessness. Swarbhed, similarly abnormal voice. Paravat Kujan, Kas, Vigad. Patient when coughs, when Kas comes, it just like Paravat Kujan. It's just like sound of the Paravat, just like the sound of the Paravat. So that's why it is called as Paravat Kujan Kas Vegat. Now Kshayaj Kas. What is Kshayaj Kas? Symptoms of the Kshayaj Kas: Durgandhit Harit Rakt Puye Yukt Kaf Nishtivan. Patient spits sputum which is Durgandhit, which is Harit in color, which is Rakt associated with some blood, and Puye Yukt, which is with pus. It is purulent in nature. So cough is purulent in nature. Aksh Madhusho Shitarto. So patient always feel that sometimes patient feels heat, ushna feeling, that is heat is coming out of the body, and after a few seconds, after a few minutes, patient feels that sheath, cold in the body. So akasmat ushna, akasmat shitarto, immediately in a very quickly changes the feeling, sometimes feels that some ushna, some heat is coming out of the body, and again after a few seconds, after a few minutes, patient feels like he's feeling cold. So akasamat ushna shitarto. Bhavashi durbala. Bhavashi, patient eats lot of food. Bhavashi, but patient is durbal, but patient is weak. Patient is having a lot of food, but still patient is weak. Krish, patient is weak, durbal, and krish. Krish, durbal means there is a less muscle mass, and krish, there is a less strength of the body. Now snigdh, ach mukh varn, and twak, but face is ach mukh varn. Face complexion is very good. Snigdh, it's just very snigdha, like while oily, good skin. Netra kanti yukt, netra eyes are also very kanti yukt, and pani padatal shalakshna. Pani Parata Shalaks, that is sole and the palm place, they are also shalaksh in nature. So these are the Kshayaj Kas लक्षण दुर्गंधित हरित रक्त पूययुक्त कफ निष्ठीवन, अकस्माद उष्ण शीतार्तो, बहुवाशी, दुर्बल, कृश, स्निग्ध, अच, मुख वर्ण एंड त्वक. Twak means skin. Skin is very glowing and the face is very glowing, very snaked and with very good complexion, glowing complexion. Netra kanti yukta netra, eyes are also glowing. And pani padatal shlakshna, and pani padatal, hands and soles and the palms, they are also shalakshna. So these are the symptoms of the Kshay cast. Next is Satata Suyako. Satata Suyako. Patient always finds faults in the others. Always find faults in the good things of the other, good nature of the others. Still, that person finds faults in that person. Grini always hates with everything, always hates everything. Mishra Jwar, complaints of Jwar, but that is of Mishra in nature. Parshvabhed, pain, Bhedan like pain in the flanks. Penis, that I told you, penis, that is chronic pratishyaya. Aruchi, this loss of appetite or loss of feeling of the appetite, loss of feeling of hunger, that is aruchi. Animit, Swarbhed, without any cause, there is a change in the voice, abnormality in the voice. Bhinna sahat varchah. Varchah means stool, mal. Bhin. Sometimes scattered in the pan, and sometimes it is in ghan kind of. It is thick in consistency. So bhin sahat varch. So this was all about caste rope. This was the first part of the caste rope. There we discussed about its introductions, its causative factors, its samprapti, its classification, and its symptoms according to the classification. So I hope you must be benefited with this session. And this session was powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. If you have any doubts, any complaint, any questions, please write in the comment box that I will resolve it. Thanks for watching this video.